Monitoring marine mammals to keep them safe and meet regulations is highly complex and slow. This is just one highlighting example where a lot of time and investment has been made. It shows a report on the progress of recovery for killer whales, published in 2022, but 3 years out of date. No matter where or what species you're working on, it's urgent and needs to be up to date to get the traction and decisions that are needed. eOceans was built to make this happen. Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Wardpage, a marine and environmental scientist and the founder of eOceans. I spent 20 years collecting and analyzing data and generating reports for government, industry, academia, and NGOs, but we couldn't keep up with the change or challenges. That's because monitoring and research teams spend hundreds to thousands of hours collecting data and storing it all in different locations and formats. Then we process them for one question at a time, rewriting the same lines of code for each species in each location and for each data set. By the time our results come out, they're out of date and they never update. eOceans makes the process seamless, from data collection to reports and dissemination, unlocking up to 80% of your team's time and effort and delivering instant insights. Where you add your data to the system and it automatically does what you need it to do. It's an elegant solution to a highly complex problem. And it works anywhere in the world for any species and their behaviors, health, as well as their threats, nearby developments, deaths, and social values, enabling you to keep up with all the challenges and opportunities. So how does it work? First, you'll set up a project in the eOceans platform. It's as easy as filling out a form. In the form, you'll define your study area, which includes a geofence that defines all the coordinates that you're interested in for your project. Then you define your variables of interest. This could be one species or all the species, as well as their threats and social values, and the types of analysis you want. It takes less than an hour. Then, once it's running, you add data. Data can come from uploading existing spreadsheets of data, sensors or APIs that are customized for your project, or through the eOceans mobile application, which is designed specifically for your field teams to collect data offline on the go in the field. Then, as the data are entered, they go to all the projects they need to go to. So this could be just one project or hundreds. It depends on your collaboration preferences and also on the data that you're collecting, such as the location, the sampling methodology, and the variables that were logged. This way, you can work seamlessly at local, regional, and even global scales. And for each project, all the data sets, maps, graphs, and reports are kept up to date in your dashboard with all your current data, allowing you to easily track your key metrics, such as sampling effort, species presence and absence, relative abundance, health, richness, biodiversity, threats, social values, and more. Now, your key performance indicators are never out of date. To summarize, eOceans has the functionality you need to make your data useful today. It's the equivalent of having $1 million team of data scientists working to deliver your project in a timely, efficient, and effective way so that you can focus on what matters most. It's important to note that eOceans has research-grade ethics at its core. We enable you to share your data, but we don't force it. This enables you to work with anyone, including First Nations, fisheries, tourism, and more. eOceans is a patent-pending process that was made in Canada by experts in quantitative ecology. And the return on investment for using eOceans depends on your current situation. And this falls into two buckets. First, if you already have a superstar data science team, then they can focus on the important tasks instead of the tedious ones. And if you don't have a data science team or you are doing it all, eOceans adds the capacity of having a data science team to work with you. With eOceans, our goal is to help power your everyday projects, but also your most ambitious ones. You can learn more at eoceans.co or contact me for any questions or assistance to get your project up and running today. Thank you.